Let me introduce to you our new frame in the Bliz Active family, Breeze. Breeze is one of the top models, of course, with extremely many functions and features. As all of Bliz Active frames, you can adjust the nose piece in and out and forward and backwards to have the best position for your face. Also, for sure, as the other frames, you can move the temple tips in and out, up and down, so you have a perfect fit when you're sporting or just walking down the street, and it will not fall down on your face. Breeze comes with a lot of things together. You have an extra lens, mostly a contrast lens, and you can easily change it. You also have a strap, which is very useful if you do a lot of more action sports like sailing, downhill mountain bike and other sports where you want the frame to sit tight on your face and not fall off at all. Also the topper bar here you have a foam inside to protect and be gentle to your skin, and it's also protecting from sweat falling down into your eyes. You can, if you want, take off the top bar and you will have an even more lightweight frame and a better ventilation through the lens. When you change to the strap, it's very easy just to remove the temples like that. You do the same if you change the lens, and it's just to take off the nose piece and have another lens. To put on the strap, it's the same way like you mount and put on the temples. You just click them in, and then you have the strap. When you put them on your face, put on the bridge, because when you have the strap, you will have a more pressure against your head and face. So it's better to have the top bar on, and now you have a perfect fit, and the frame will not drop off your face in any occasion. To talk a bit of the Breeze, if you compare to the other Bliz Active in the same family like Matrix, Fusion, Breeze is like Vision, a bit more flatter, not too high base curve, and then you can also have this optical adapter to put inside and to click it on into the nose piece. And here you just go to and visit your optician and get your prescription lenses here, and you put it behind the Bliz Active lens, and you can still change the lens into different weather occasions. Fantastic frame. Thanks for me.